so it's the night before the sail to the V&A. That's the geezer going and Chris having a shower. He doesn't know I'm doing this. I just want to remember how I feel tonight. I'm pretty nervous. I think it feels a little bit like sport or athletics where like you as prepared as you can be, but there's still a little bit of nerves. And then I also want to kind of approach it like I do yoga, setting intentions, and my intentions are to enjoy the sail, get experience, and just be happy and excited once it's done. So I am a little bit nervous. I am worried that I'm gonna get seasick, but I'm prepared. I am downloading, have a look, I'm downloading podcasts so I can listen to that, and I've made some food and it's all prepared, so there's not much else I can do. So we're gonna go to bed now, getting up at 3 and aiming to leave the harbour at 4, and then that's it. Nervous but excited. What's the time?
About 5:04.
Cool, lekker. We're off. Easterly wind predicted with up to 20 knots, so we left with the main on the first reef. We sailed into the wind to Cape Point with the wind never reaching over 50 knots. We had a beautiful and pleasant sail all the way around, but the wind slowed down substantially and died down completely about 5 nautical miles before Cape Town, forcing us to motor. Cool. Hi Bruce.
Hello.
We are waiting at the V&A for the gate, well, the bridge to open. They only open 2:15 and 2:45, so we missed the 1:15 one. We're waiting for the 2:45 one. But in the meantime, we're having juice and strawberries. Opening the bridge there, and then we're going to turn left. The entry and mooring was pretty uneventful. We settled in and headed for the Waterfront to celebrate with a beer and some sushi to say thanks to Bruce for joining us for the sail.
And the other one? Happy pulls, please, my friend.
Good morning. We are so not used to water not moving. This is so calm. We had a very good night's rest. We are in the Waterfront, Cape Town. And gonna make coffee now. And we're going to grab our second coffee and find internet and catch up on some work, but it's a beautiful, gorgeous day. Okay, so Christo's been outside talking business for probably half an hour, and I need to show you what he does. He walks up and down. Like, oh no, he saw me. Like, he walks up and down, like, blah, 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 blah. Like, up and down for 30 minutes. I don't look at the shoes. I'm cutting off the shoes. You can't call them shoes. Ugh. It's like up and down, up and down. So funny. He's gonna turn around. Yep. Up and down. Wait, he's turned around. Okay, he's going further away because he knows I'm filming. Turn around. Doesn't go too far from the boat. Wait. He's gonna turn around. No. Ollie. No. Walking. He's got. No. Yeah. That's so funny. Okay, one last one. There's a co-working space pretty much on the other side. So I've got to cross over there. There's a bridge, and then that building there has co-working space. So I'm going to head there later this morning, catch up on some emails, do some work. That's the Cape Grace. And this is little Pluto. And that's husband. At the waterfront, Krista's gone to work. I'm going to go for a nice little hike. I'm going to cross that bridge and then go to the waterfront on that side, have a nice little hike, stretch my legs, and then start my day. We had a wonderful few days at the waterfront with lots of visits to the boat. There was enough culture, whiskey tasting, eating and socializing with friends in a city that we love so much. We had a good variety of real cultural experiences and even got an invite to a very good old friend's house for a family birthday celebration. Just got dropped off by Uber. We are looking for an address. We've been invited to a 70th birthday of a friend's dad, and we are joining them for lunch. Just sorting out where we are, but it's a gorgeous day in Cape Town. That people is Table Mountain from the side. Ish. everyone that came by to say hi or that joined us for a meal or a drink.
Yeah.
Did it by itself?
Okay.
We really appreciate everyone's effort, friendship and support. Like all things, this too had to come to an end, and it was time to head back to Simonstown to do the last of our prep work and get ready to do the next phase of our adventure. And that is to get ready to sail to Knysna.